Learn basic personal information questions. The first question is, what is your name? What is your name? Or, what's your name? What's your name? To answer this question, we say, I'm Shakira. I'm Tatiana. I'm Pedro. Okay? You mention your name. Later, the other person says, nice to meet you, Shakira. I'm, and the name of the person. It is a pleasure, or nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Let's see an example to understand better.
What is your name?
Marcello.
My name's Tyler.
Nice to meet you, Tyler. My name is Zev.
This is Captain Suki. Skipper, this is Armandi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
The second question we use is, where are you from? Where are you from? This question we use it to ask about the nationality of the person. And the answer is, I'm from. I'm from, and you mention the country. I'm from Colombia, I'm from Mexico, I'm from USA. Another question we use to ask about personal information is, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Live. Okay? The answer for this question is, I live in. I live in, and we mention a place. Can be a country, a town, a city, or a neighborhood. I live in Medellin. This question, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? This question is to ask about the age. The age. 35 years old, 25 years old, 17 years old. I'm 25 years old. I'm 20. I'm 80 years old.
How old are you? 18, 19?
18.
How old are you? 12, more or less. What about you? 12 years, 8 months, and 9 days.
How old are you?
22.
I'm 22. Wow. That's like
Old.
young.
The last question we will learn in this lesson is, what do you do? What do you do? We have another question, another option. It is, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Whatever question is good, no problem. What do you do? Or what do you do for a living? To respond to this question, we need to say if we work or study. For example, I work at a restaurant. I work at a bank. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. I'm a secretary.
What do you do for a living, Elliot?
I'm in 8th grade.
Oh, yeah, right.
What do you do? What do you mean? What do you do for a living? Why?
Mary.
What do you do, Mitch?
Me? For a living?
Yeah.
You know, I am...
Conclusion. The questions we learned to ask about personal information are: what's your name? Where do you live? Where are you from? How old are you? And what do you do? Or what do you do for a living? Pay attention to the last example for this lesson.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Me too. What's your name?
I'm Lizzie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Lizzie. I'm Scott.
Where do you live?
I live in New York, and you?
Cool. New York is a nice place. I live in Mexico. What do you do for a living in New York?
Yeah, I work at a bank, and how about you? What do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
English is nice.
Yeah, and very common everywhere.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
I learned English when I was 21. Oh, there is my train. I gotta go. Have a nice day, Lizzie.
Bye, Scott. Take care.